it's Louise with Louise McKay Art, and welcome back. Welcome back for another change in gears again. If you're new, thank you for joining me, and if you've been around a while, thank you for coming back. Before I even get started, I want to have an administrative note in that for those of you that are newer to YouTube, if you are interested and want to subscribe to my channel, or anyone's channel for that matter, hitting the subscribe button is not enough, because after a day, YouTube will kick you off that subscription. So what you need to do is hit the subscribe, hit all on the subscribe bell, or like a video, or watch the video in its entirety, or comment. Any one of those things or any combination of those things will make your subscription stick, and you'll be kept up to date with any videos I put out as long as you hit the all button. So I just wanted to make sure you knew that, because I know some people don't know that, and I didn't even realize that until just a few days ago. So I'm just sharing that with you. So today what I'm doing is I'm going to be doing back to blooms, back to making coasters again, starting with tiles. And I'm doing this because I've had some good success with selling them, and I want to make some more. And even a friend of mine has even asked me to make a special order. So I'll be doing that next. But what I'm going to start with today is a tried and true recipe that I've already proven, that I've actually sold a few of these sets too in my natural colors. So for this set, I'm going to do a test tile to start with. I've got Chantilly lace, which is Prizmpour. This is 24 karat gold. This is a combination on Glidden with burnt sienna and nickel azo gold. This here is DecoArt's Obsidian, and I also added a few drops of the liquid Glidden's Carbon Black. And this here is my Glidden's Iridescent Bronze. And this made a really pretty combination before. I'm going to try it again to start up this new series I'm going to be starting here. And then I'm going to go with the white cell activator and the black cell activator. So of note also, I know some of you have asked, well, how does your tile stick and you don't have it go flying off? Well, mind you, I've had projectile tiles before, but what I use is a Noosa cup. And if you ever watch any of the things I'm pouring from, you'll get to know what my diet is around here. It's kind of revelatory. But yeah, I use Noosa. It's an 8-ounce cup. I put it down the center, and then I put the tile I'm going to be pouring over in the middle. Now, after I've poured at least one, what happens is the drip over paint will stick that cup, and it'll be pretty much secure. And the weight of the paint, or the weight of the tile, will stay on top. So, you know, that's about it, just so you know. Now, you could put paint underneath to start with to secure it, but I don't even bother. I let nature take its course. So, yeah, with that, let me get a base coat down here. And so what I'm using for my base, my pillow, are my scraps. If you've noted before, I've saved scraps. And with this scrap group, I added some Glidden to thin it down a little bit because it was way too thick. So I've got my grayish scraps, but underneath these colors, it'll be fine. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. So with that, I'm going to get the pillow, and I'll get you down in a second. All right, I'm going to keep going here. This is a fresh tile. A new one, I mean, not a recycled one. It's a Chantilly. All right, everyone, so since my son decided right now to start hammering his garden bed together, I'm going to voice over that section. So right here is the 24 karat gold, and then I got my Quinacridone nickel azo gold combined with burnt sienna on that one. And I think the hammering is going to stop here pretty quick, so I will get back to the regular video. Wow, what a nice breeze. Woo-hoo. The tides are changing. back. All right, everyone, I'm sorry. I have to apologize for the camera angle on this and my big head getting in the way of the camera. Since my new setup, I need to take note of where the camera needs to be in order for you guys to see how I'm blowing these out. So I'll make an adjustment for the next video. Okay. I do love this color combination. Holy cow. Yep. I am a sucker for the earth tones. All I'm doing here is stretching the pillow paint to the edges and sides so that when I do spin out the color, they'll have a place to spread to. Alright, everybody, so since I'm only going to be spinning here and there's hammering in the background, I decided to double time through this section. You can see what I'm doing and you can see how it's spinning, and then I'm going to zoom in for a close-up so you can see a little more closely how it's all progressing. So for those of you who have been with me for a while, you'll recognize this color palette and with the earthy tones. And I'm just going to remake some more of these because this color palette does not disappoint and seems to be popular with people. Okay, folks, this is where this one is. I really like that one. Very pretty. I'm going to clean it up, put it to bed. So I mentioned in prior videos about removing the measles or the white spots, and I just wanted to take a second to show you how I do it. I just submerge a toothpick into the white spot and just kind of swirl it a little bit and then pull up. And in pulling up, I pull up the white, and in the tip of the toothpick actually brings together the colors that are around the white spot. And then magic presto, the white spot disappears. Sometimes it'll take a few tries, but it'll come out. So that's a wrap. Thanks for joining me. And if the video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit all so you get all the latest videos I put out. And also leave comments. I'd appreciate hearing what you guys think. Until next time, take care, everyone.